Happy birthday, Nathan. Happy birthday to you.
Blow your candles.
Blow out the candles.
All of them.
You gotta get
Yeah.
Woo.
Oh.
Get it.
He's spitting all over.
You
got it.
Oh.
Another one.
Yeah.
Yay!
I love you. Eat it.
Eat it.
Ooh, are you gonna take a bite? Take a bite. Take a bite. Take a bite. You gonna do a little bite? You wanna take a
He's
bite?
already eating the chocolate off of it.
Eat it.
Come here.
Katrina, don't you come here, Katrina? Come here.
Go ahead, take a bite. Wherever you want.
You go with Kuya Nate there.
Oh, there it is. Yeah. We good?
Was it good? Yeah. He's like, it's all right.
Another bite.
We'll show off.
All right, buddy, we're gonna cut the cake, okay? We're gonna cut the cake.
Great. You know, like past 6 months, I guess. Really.
To say.
Yeah.
Who wants one of these?
Hormonal too. Ew. What?
Pwede yung need natin. Ay, nga po kung babae. Yes. You want one of these ones, Abby, or? Oh, say hi to grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Like that or more?
Oh,
Talk to grandma. Talk to grandma.
Last time I was the strawberry one, wasn't it?
Hi.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, ice cream. I'm not even gotta have ice cream. You're gonna be alright. You're gonna be alright.
This is a strudel,
I
though,
don't do
dude.
that.
It's a
It's not
strudel.
cake. It's a strudel, so you can eat it without ice cream.
Dad.
You got it.
Thank you.
Cut that cake, man. It looks so good. I'm not much on the monster truck cake. Shit looks legit, man.